Hey everyone, welcome to Tutorials by David, and in this video we'll be having a quick review of the Card Network app, full pros and cons analysis. The Card Network app has become a central hub for managing gift card portfolio in 2026, particularly for those who frequently use multi-store cards like the Home, Active, or Kids gift cards, which is the primary pro is its seamless wallet integration, allowing users to digitize physical cards instantly by scanning them, which eliminates the risk of losing plastic cards or forgetting them at home. The app provides a real-time balance checks and a map-based store locator so you always know exactly where you can spend your remaining funds. In 2026, the inclusion of tap and pay via phone wallet has significantly increased its convenience. On the con side is that the app is strictly tied to card network specific ecosystem, meaning you can't use it to manage generic Visa or MasterCard gifts cards from other providers. Some users also report a slight lag when refreshing balances in areas with poor reception. So if you're a fan of themed gift cards or receive them often as gifts, then this app is an essential clutter-free way to ensure you never let a cent go to waste.